Hey guys, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. This week I am making a recipe for Hanukkah. I'm gonna make a lemon ricotta kugel. And if you don't know what kugel is, it is a traditional dessert. Yeah, I'm gonna call it dessert. But it's made with egg noodles. Which, I don't know. Maybe for people who don't eat pasta much, to me, I'm like, dessert pasta? What? But, 'tis the season. How cute is this mug? I got this at the thrift store like probably 10 years ago. But it's got the little sensor on the bottom. I already have my egg noodles cooked and tossed around in like 6 tablespoons of melted butter. So now all I have to do is mix together the ricotta cheese, the sour cream, sugar, eggs. There are like 8 eggs in this, up in this bee. And then I need the zest of 2 lemons and the juice. So it should be pretty good. I have my oven already preheated to 375. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix all this together and we'll go from there. You're back. Look at it. I mean, I say that a lot. I mean, it smells good. It does smell good. Yeah. My brain is a little bit confused, but it's really good. It's like custardy, lemony. I like it. Have had a bit of a shite day. So, coming home to this, being nice and cooled, and it being good, is just like, hope you guys are doing well. Hope you had a good holiday. And if you're celebrating Hanukkah, hope you're having a great Hanukkah. I'll see you next Tuesday. Okay, bye.